Welcome back to the channel, man. Let's talk real quick, man. Y'all know I don't like wasting time. We got this Jeep Grand Cherokee with the SRT Hemi. We had to tear it down. The adjuster wanted us to tear it down, but it had a loud tapping noise. They come out and inspected, which is weird, man. I think you should want to hear the noise before you have us tear it down. But anyway, what's unique about this, the way we had to get it out? As you can see, the bumper cover had to come off. Or maybe we just took it off to make life a little simpler, life a little easier. But we had to remove the whole front facial. All right, we got that all out the way. You see here, man, we got a lot of stuff off of this car. Like I say, everybody remove engines different. No one removes engine the same. So whatever floats your boat. All right, let's go take a look at this new engine. All right, it's right over here. And there she is, man, all wrapped up. Nice blue, pretty plastic. Nice and I assume brand new the way they got it wrapped up. But we're gonna unwrap this thing, and we got a lot of stuff to transfer. Here's the old engine. We got a lot of stuff off of here to put on the new engine, especially bottom end stuff, or you know, the oil pan and things like that in the front timing area. But as you can see, no new oil control valve, so I will not use the old oil control valve off that car. All right, it was very highly contaminated, but man, I figured it's worth viewing, man. You know, there's only so much we can record out of here. So there you have it, man. We're getting ready to we got the new engine on the jack stand. We're getting ready to transfer everything and install it. Thanks for watching. Comment and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.